afternoon, and thanks for joining us. I'm Dina Herrera Garza. Happening today, the first of 2 vaccination clinics in Hidalgo County. Officials started administering the Moderna vaccine at 8 o'clock this morning. Doses, of course, are limited. Channel 5's Marisol Villarreal is there with how things are going on right now. Marisol.
I'm at the PSJA Early College High School in San Juan, where 1,000 people have already received their first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine. Vaccinations began today at 8 a.m. and have already wrapped up. People had their temperature checked, submitted paperwork, and then waited to receive their vaccine. Afterwards, people needed to wait for about 15 minutes to see if they had any reactions. After that, they were clear to go. Eddie Olivares, the Chief Administrative Officer for Hidalgo County's Health and Human Services, explains the main priority with these vaccination sites is to make sure the elderly and frontline workers all have a fair chance at receiving the vaccine before the general public is allowed. Here's what Olivares had to say.
So how can we say that this younger population would have a priority over this older population when they're the highest at risk? We need to look at ourselves to be that moral compass in our community.
Olivares explains the county is also working to try taking COVID-19 vaccines out to retirement homes and other elderly communities. And if you missed out on today's event, another one is already planned with PSJA Early College High School for tomorrow at 8 a.m. PSJA officials advise they will begin holding people's spots in line at 5 o'clock this afternoon in order to deal with traffic control and to avoid having anyone spend the night in their cars. PSJA officials will then let those other 1,000 people know at what time it is that they have to meet again here for tomorrow. We'll keep you updated on any new updates as soon as they're made available. In San Juan, Marisol Villarreal, Channel 5 News at noon.